So we are going to be bisecting a line segment. So I'm not going to measure this. I'm just going to draw a line using a ruler. Bisecting a line is when you split it in half. Okay, so there's our line. Then there's also, we're going to need a compass. So you hear the word compass and you might think, oh, it's a compass. Why would you need a compass? This is a compass. So you set it using your ruler. You set it to the number you want. And then you hold the top and you can spin it. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to bisect a line. So we have point, right here we have point A. All the way over here we got point B. We set, you can see there's a sharp metal part and then the lead part. Set the sharp metal part on A. You then want to set this to a width radius longer than half. You then go up and you're going to make an arc. You're going to go down, make an arc. Then you're going to set it on B, keeping the same radius, mind you. If it messes up a little, just make sure it's longer than half and it should be okay. Okay. Now we're going to make another arc and you'll see the two arcs cross. You're going to label those points. Circle. One is going to be point Q. Well, let's get rid of that because we don't want 9. We want point Q and point P. So now we have points A, B, P, and Q. So you can see I put the point right where these two arches connect. You will then use your straight edge or ruler to connect the two. Make sure you line it up with the 2 points. That point and that point. You are then going to hold your straight edge right through here and go up. There. You just create a new line segment. You can put a little dot in the center and dot in the center and label it O. See? Now we have point A, B, P, Q, and O. And that's how you bisect a line segment. You will notice that these are perpendicular lines, meaning, if you look, these lines form 90-degree angles in the corner. 90 degrees. So, in some of your math problems, they're not always going to be that easy, where you just have to bisect it in the middle. This point could be anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and do that again on the bottom of this page. Instead, we're going to show how you would do it another way. Okay, so I'm going to make this line 4 inches, just for convenience. And we're going to have point A and point B. A and B is always going to be that simple thing. A and B. So you're going to work with, because normally your first line segment you want to do is going to be A and B. Alright, so now we're going to go about 1.5 inches off of you know what? I'm not gonna measure it. I'm just gonna put a piece dot right there. We're gonna label that dot X. You're going to find a way to make a line go up from X perfectly straight. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our compass again, and we're going to put the sharp point on X. We're then going to make sure it is less than XA. X to A. So you could do just over half. You're going to put an arc there, and an arc here. Go ahead and take your compass again, and now you're going to set the point right where the arc touches line AB, or AX, you could say. And right now it is set to land right on X. You're going to make it go more than X. So, see? You're then going to draw arcs. You're then going to jump straight to the other line and draw another arc. If you were wanting to draw a line all the way through and down, you would also do arcs down here. But we're just drawing a line up. We'll then name this point O. Point O. Yeah. So now, you then connect X and O. Okay. I'll be right back with the final way to do this. We'll be learning how to do this, because this solution right here won't, neither of these are going to work if this is all the way over here. But there's a much easier way to do that. I'll show you that one in a second. Okay? Be right back. Okay, let's continue on. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to do this one more time. Again, 4 inches, nothing's changing here. Here we go, 4 inches. Go like that. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. So, again, we're going to go with point A and point B. Just because this is so simple. Just say that. Now, we're going to put X right here. Right up next to B. Okay. So now, our first one on the back, or on the front, this won't work because it's not in the middle. And this won't work and this type won't work because it's not close to the middle. So what do? You're gonna take this, set to whatever radius you want. I'm gonna suggest something decent, like this. And I'm going to draw a circle. That's how you do it. Draw a circle. Probably don't have to draw a full circle. I just find it easiest to draw a full circle. Okay. Now, you jump to here, keeping the same radius. You go up to here. Uh-oh. There we go. Same radius, go up to here. Arc. The same radius again. We're going to go right here and do another arc. We're then going to go I'm going to go up here. Okay. Go. Put an arc up. Make sure it's the same radius again. Just a little off. It's okay. Put an arc up here. And we're going to put one right here. Right where those connect, we're going to have point O. right about here. Oh. See? So, first you draw a circle with your compass. You then go to this edge of the circle so that you're marked there, right where those two lines connect. And then you're going to keep the same radius, and you draw the arc here. And then you go to where these lines connect and draw an arc here. You then go to where this line connects. When you draw the arc from this line, you go all the way up. See? So you had the point here, and you went all the way up. You come over here, and you go up here, and you go like that. That's point O. You then connect O and X. Just like this. And there you go. 90 degrees on the sides. You could just check that by making a little square. And you'll see that is 90 degrees. Okay? Thank you for watching, and that is how you draw perpendicular lines. And again, perpendicular means when lines connect, they form a 90-degree angle.